what are the three things you would ask developer relations to not do?
So of course, I think you are in an educator role. You are there to educate the market or like developers. You're there to help, and you're there to provide support. That's your primary goal, as much as you work for the company. Uh, so I also tell you a contradicting thing to this point. So first of all, like you need to be very like of course uh, well, I said like strong opinion, but then when you meet a developer, you kind of like educate, try to convince, try to gain mind share on the topic that you want, but then maintain that good relationship with them. So that is step one. And second, at the same point of time, there is a art that you need to do the fine balance, right? You are walking on a thin line, so you also need to showcase some value that you are bringing good revenue, or like you're bringing developing mind share for the platform that you are working for, be it open source, be it like as like a SaaS only platform, or something that has a PLG as a growth motion. So you kind of like do all of this very importantly. So that's like the primary two pillars that you kind of like do develop today.